Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for dropshipping. Dropshipping is a fantastic business model where you sell products directly to customers without ever needing to manage inventory yourself. WordPress provides an incredibly flexible and powerful foundation for your online store, allowing you to build a professional e-commerce site with relative ease. This approach significantly reduces your initial investment and offers immense potential for growth, making it an excellent choice for new and experienced entrepreneurs alike. First, you'll need to set up your WordPress site. This involves installing WordPress on a reliable web host, which typically takes just a few minutes. Next, you'll install and activate the essential WooCommerce plugin, transforming your site into a fully functional online store. With over 5 million active installations, WooCommerce is the leading e-commerce solution for WordPress. Finally, choose a visually appealing and mobile-friendly theme to give your shop a professional look, and ensure a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Once your store is ready, the next step is finding products and suppliers. Begin by researching trending products that align with your niche and offer healthy profit margins, often around 20 to 40%. Then, integrate with dropshipping platforms like AliExpress or Doba using specialized plugins, which allow you to easily import thousands of products. These tools also help automate crucial processes such as inventory synchronization and order fulfillment, saving you valuable time and effort in managing your daily operations. Finally, to ensure your dropshipping business thrives, focus on marketing and scaling. Utilize search engine optimization techniques to attract organic traffic and leverage social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Providing exceptional customer service is paramount. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your store. Continuously analyze your sales data and customer feedback to identify popular products and areas for improvement, allowing you to strategically expand your product offerings and grow your business over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.